In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a table of contents in Google Docs. First, open your file in Google Docs so we can work directly in the document you want to organize. The table of contents pulls from your document structure, so before we insert it, we need to set up that structure with headings. Highlight the title of a main section, then go to Format, Paragraph Styles, Heading 1, and choose Apply Heading 1. This tells Google Docs that this is a top-level section. If you've already customized the look of your section titles with a specific font, size, or color, you can make Heading 1 match them. With the title still selected, go back to Format, Paragraph Styles, Heading 1, and click Update Heading 1 to match. From now on, every heading 1 will follow that styling automatically. For subsections, highlight each subheading and apply heading 2 the same way. Format paragraph styles heading 2, apply heading 2. Repeat this throughout your document so every section and subsection uses the correct style. Avoid just making text bold or bigger. Only the official heading styles are recognized by the table of contents. Next, let's give the table its own page at the very top. Place your cursor before your first heading right at the start of the document and insert a page break. On Windows, press Ctrl plus Enter. On a Mac, press Command plus Enter. This creates a clean page for the table of contents and keeps it separate from your content. Now insert the table of contents. Click Insert, then Table of Contents, and choose the style you prefer. With links gives you blue clickable entries that jump to each section. Great for digital sharing. With page numbers gives you a traditional print-friendly list that shows where each section appears. Whenever you add, remove, or rename sections, update the table so it stays accurate. Click anywhere in the table, then click the refresh icon to pull in the latest headings and page numbers or links. If something doesn't appear as expected, double check that the text was formatted as heading 1 or heading 2, not normal text. That's it. Your table of contents will automatically list all the headings, show the hierarchy, heading 1 as main sections with heading 2 nested beneath, and update dynamically as your document changes. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Google Docs tips and tutorials.